Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tom yum soup. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need a good quality tom yum paste, fresh shrimp, and your favorite mushrooms like straw or oyster mushrooms. Don't forget the essential aromatics, fresh lemongrass, galangal, and kaffir lime leaves. These provide the signature fragrance. Finally, have fish sauce, fresh lime juice, and a touch of chili paste ready to balance the flavors perfectly. Now, let's start cooking. Begin by bringing about 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth to a gentle simmer in a pot. Once it's simmering, add 2 tablespoons of your tom yum paste. Stir it thoroughly until the paste is completely dissolved and the broth takes on that beautiful orange hue and fragrant aroma. This step is crucial for building the foundational flavor of your soup, so take your time to ensure it's well mixed. Next, it's time to add the fresh aromatics and main ingredients. Carefully add your sliced galangal, bruised lemongrass stalks, and kaffir lime leaves to the simmering broth. Then, gently drop in your shrimp and mushrooms. Cook them for just a few minutes until the shrimp turn pink and the mushrooms are tender, but not overcooked. Finish by stirring in about 2 tablespoons of fish sauce and 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice for that perfect tangy, savory balance. To finish your delicious tom yum soup, ladle it into bowls and garnish with fresh cilantro and a few extra chili slices if you like a bit more heat. Serve it immediately to enjoy the vibrant, complex flavors at their peak. This soup is a fantastic balance of spicy, sour, and savory, perfect for any meal. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description below for a link to a highly recommended book and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade tom yum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.